Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail. And yep, we about to get married, or somebody gonna marry me after this one. I'm gonna show you guys how to make that marry me shrimp pasta. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our shrimp. We have our rigatoni pasta. I hope I'm saying that right. Heavy whipping cream. We got some seafood stock here. If you don't have seafood stock, use some chicken stock. Right here we have butter, shredded Parmesan cheese, paprika, tomato paste, onion powder, some lemon juice, freshly squeezed, Cajun seasoning, Italian seasoning, chopped garlic, flour, olive oil, chopped sun-dried tomatoes, and we got some basil here. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. To get started, we're gonna season our shrimp with our Cajun seasoning, paprika, and onion powder. We're gonna get that mixed in like this. All right, we're gonna sit this aside and let's move over to our stove. Now at our stove, we got our water boiling. We're gonna add our pasta and we're gonna cook it into al dente according to the box instructions or the package instructions, whichever one. So let's head over to our cooktop. All right, so we're gonna turn our cooktop on over medium-high heat. We're gonna melt our butter, add our olive oil. Once that oil and butter heats up, we're gonna add our shrimp. And you wanna make sure you put these babies in a single layer. And we're gonna cook these for about a minute per side. All right, we're gonna start flipping these babies over. That's what you want. You want a nice little sear on both sides. All right, so after that last minute, you want to start removing your shrimp. I'm just going to add them to a clean bowl. And if you had to cook them in batches, then that's fine. You can finish cooking the rest of them. All right, so now we're going to melt about a tablespoon of butter. We're going to add a little of that olive oil from our sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to reduce our heat to a medium-low. We're going to add our garlic. And we're going to cook this for about a minute. After that minute, we're going to add our sun-dried tomatoes along with our Italian seasoning, and we're gonna hit that with a little Cajun seasoning. And we're gonna cook this for about a minute. All right, after that minute, we're gonna go in with our flour, and we're gonna stir that in until it's mixed well. Once incorporated, we're gonna go in with our seafood broth. You know, get that pan deglazed if necessary. Then we're gonna go in. Next, we're gonna pour in our cream. That's our heavy whipping cream, along with our tomato paste. And we're gonna get that mixed in. We're gonna just turn our heat up slightly. We want that baby to come to a boil. Once you start seeing it bubble, turn it down, let it simmer for about 3 minutes. All right, so after those 3 minutes, we're gonna add our lemon juice, our basil. We're gonna get that stirred in. And lastly, our Parmesan cheese. We're gonna get that stirred in. And lastly, we're gonna come in with our pasta. We're gonna fold that in. All right, once we fold our pasta in, you know we're coming back with our shrimp. And we're gonna get those moved around in here too, just a little bit. And guys, this is what we have. So we're done here. Let's head over to our cutting board, take a final look before we jump into our final presentation and get it plated up. And guys, take a look at what we have. This is an absolute beauty. I can't wait to bite into it. Let's go ahead and get this baby plated up so we can jump into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Marry me shrimp pasta. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. Yep, it's quality control time. Let's bring that marry me shrimp pasta to the front of the congregation. Let's go ahead and get it, baby. Try to put a shrimp on that thing too. Anybody want to marry me? Anybody want to take my hand in marriage? A lot of times you see that marry me chicken, but guys, you can also do it with these shrimps. Man, definitely gotta get this one to try. Man, that sauce over these shrimp and over this pasta is unbelievably delicious. So definitely check it out. Tune in. Y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. He just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.